I'll be talking about minimal viable personal projects. Don't know if you've heard of that saying before, but we've all got personal projects. Some of us might have many, but we're all full of ideas. I guarantee everyone in here has got an idea they want to build, and they're just sitting on it. We have many ideas. Like me personally, I've got like 3, 4, 5. You just, as you go through the day, you pick up new ideas, you see problems, you want to solve them, but you don't really have to about it. So what do you do with these ideas? You should capture it. Just so you know, this is my personal approach to creating ideas of my own and how I capture them and, you know, build them. So if you get an idea, capture it straight away. Write it down, title, sentence, that's all you need. But more importantly, you should capture it visually, because if you visually capture something, I'll come on to it now. So days go by after you've captured your idea, weeks, we've all been here, have an idea and just don't do it. No time, family gets in the way, you know what it's like. Month goes by, fucking hell. And then you think, you know what? I'm going to load up my my captured ideas. So I'm going to show you a few captured ideas I've done. They're not perfect. You just need to chuck the ideas, Adobe Illustrator, Sketch, whatever you use. You don't need to be great at it. I'm not great. So one thing was Swapboard, inspired by Silicon Valley's Kill Blame board. Swapboard.it is the domain. It's currently down on the website because I've neglected it. Then another one was Pickabee, and then HelpPod. And you get the idea, you know, you get loads of ideas, capturing, but when you go through your ideas, eventually, a spark plug, shit, that's a good idea. And when you see that idea, after a month of actually initially doing it, you think, fuck, I could add more shit to that. So, Northern Fail. So this arose because, I see your tweets all the time, mate. Don't know if you lot get the train, but fuck me, don't get Northern. So this was the original idea. It's not exactly like this. Don't have the notifications, don't collect personal information, don't have the onboarding. So basically the idea was display information to the user. It's not a unique idea. It's not a unique idea. It's just giving people easy access to data. So I decided to do it. So first step, break it down, Trello, whatever you want. Doesn't have to be perfect. You don't got no project manager looking over it. It's all right how you like. So you got your task, build it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just simple EC2 micro VM, MLabDB, React Native, couple of weekends, lots of beer and junk food. Make sure you're comfy because you don't want to lose focus. And then that equals minimal viable personal project. So once you've got your project, you plant the seeds. So once it was built, I sent a Facebook message to a group with 2,000 Facebook members saying, you help me, you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours kind of thing. And then I went on the MEN, looked at who does travel journalism, tweeted them. And then, a couple of days ago, blows up. So, the journalist effect. Pretty much all the journalists use it. All downloading the app. It's been in Tim Farron's Sack Northern campaign. Everyone's using the data. And then the news effect, it pretty much, all the data was for all the One North, I think it was, stuff. The Guardian, I've lost track of the amount of papers it's been in, but the point is the app opened up data that, you know, was already there, but made it easily accessible. You know, put it in people's pockets. People are complaining about trains been cancelled, you know, it adds up, no one cares, you know, no one cares I got banned for complaining. But if you collate that information, right, and display it, you know, give the user the power to say, you know what, my train's been cancelled, but it's been cancelled 20 fucking times in the last week. So anyway, the political effects. Tim Farron uses it, Kate Green uses it, David Corsby, Andy Burham uses it. It was even mentioned in Parliament against Chris Grayling by an MP. So it's been used as ammunition against Chris Grayling. The video's on the Twitter there if you want to see it. And then, what have I learned? I've learned that if an idea exists, do it anyway, but do it better. Doesn't matter if it exists, as long as you do it better and make it more attractive, people use it. I've also learned that solve a problem. I've learned two things actually. You have to solve a problem if you want that to be successful, or make it fun. It's one of the two. You're either solving a problem or you're making a game and make it fun for people. And without blowing my trumpet as well, it's been a great personal experience for myself as well, because I've been on The Breakfast Show with Andy Burham and Channel 4, One Show. It's just ridiculous. For what? 2 weekends of just sitting in my underpants, you know? That's all it is. If you fail, I've done quite a few apps that have failed. You just rinse and repeat. Simple as that. And that's it. Thanks for listening, guys.